Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to disable search results over metered connections on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So basically, this should be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in GP Edit, best result, should come back with Edit Group Policy. Go ahead and open that up. Underneath Computer Configuration, you want to double-click on the Administrative Templates folder. Do the same thing now for the Windows Components folder, and then go down to Search right here. Just left-click on that one time. Now on the right side, you want to go down to the Don't section. So locate where it says Don't search the web or display web results in search over metered connections. So go ahead and double-click on that. You want to go ahead and select Enabled. And if you want to turn this off or go back to the default settings, you can just select Not Configured down the road. But for the purpose of this tutorial, we're going to select Enabled and then select Apply and OK. And then once that is done, close out of here, and we will restart our computer in order for the change to take effect. And there you go, guys. Hopefully this pointer issue has been resolved. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.